I miss myself, girl. Yes, I do. And I am taking my power back and reclaiming myself because it's been a crazy year. And I mean, I was planning a whole quince, right? Quince came and left. And you know what it left me with, girl? 10 pounds. I don't want those 10 pounds. So I'm in for a journey because I'm going to lose my 10 pounds, come back to my old self and reclaim her. And while I do that, I'm going to bring you along because I literally love doing everything with you. And so today is the day where I start back up my old habits. You're going to want to come along because this is going to be a long journey. I don't lose weight easily unless it's like a 5-pounder. I gained 5 pounds, lost them, and then I gained back 10. I'm excited for this journey. I'm excited to share it with you. And also, if you are in the same struggle bus like I am, hop on board, girl. We can do this together. I've definitely been overindulging, especially as soon as the quince was over. I let go of my gym lifestyle, which you know I've been on for the past, like 4 or 5 years. The hardest thing for me right now is just becoming disciplined. And in order for me to be disciplined again, I have to get uncomfortable. And that's one thing I don't want to do, girl. I just want to be here sipping my cafecito, which there's nothing wrong with my cafecito, but I never started my day with one of these because if I do, I bloat. And guess what I am right now? Bloated. Yeah, you guessed it. I'm not the only one in this journey. My husband is too. He actually gained 15 pounds, but he's a man, so he's going to lose them literally like nothing. Cheers to day one and also quitting all of my overindulging habits. Let's start this journey together. First stop. What's the first stop, honey?
El gimnasio.
Cero ganas.
Todas las ganas.
Cero ganas. Oh, and I'm hungry.
Pon el jetty mode.
What?
Jetty mode.
What is that?
El jetty.
Oh my god. Pero después me vas a llevar a comer, right?
Claro.
Oye, ¿qué te toca hoy?
Me toca mis brazos.
Okay, I'm just gonna stretch. I'm gonna be honest. And
You've
I've been doing
stretching for the last week.
And I've been doing 1 hour on the treadmill, and I really like that. Lunch was delicious and we got a lot of work done, but now we're at Costco and we're gonna get not the fun snacks anymore. Yeah, no, honey.
Not the hot dogs.
Not the hot dogs, not the pizzas.
Pizza.
I'm gonna miss that pizza though. Just in the meantime while we get ourselves situated, because
Get a few snacks.
yeah, just no. I'm not letting myself go. I'm gonna be very disciplined. You gained 15 pounds, so you need to be on board with me. I'm excited to bring back my green juices. I have not made a green juice since I can't remember. And to me, they literally taste like life. I feel like I glow when I drink them. And honestly, I've been having so many feita days. I feel so ugly. Like right now, I feel very ugly and I'm looking at myself. So we're going to fix all of that because beauty starts from within. Remember? So I have my shopping list ready. And we're going to try to stick with it. No hot dogs.
Uno siquiera.
Y'all, Costco is popping. This was the last cart. And I already got some pomegranate because it looks like it's pomegranate season. Someone's not very happy about it though.
$15 a pound.
I don't care. Okay, oh, I've been having like a crazy orange kick. So I'm gonna get a costal de naranjitas. How many of these do I eat a day?
Like 10.
Let's go get our juicing ingredients. I'm so excited for my green juice.
Y los huevos.
Huevos too, we cannot forget our eggs.
Darme 2 huevos en la mañana. 2 eggs in the morning.
No, he eats them raw. Un tal spin. Oh, the kids love this. We have to get them a bag. They love this. Con una, con 4.
Con una. No te mames.
Actually, con 2, honey, con 2. Come on now. Oh, spinach. Has to be organic. When I'm trying to focus on my wellness, I usually don't get processed meals, but these ones are really good. These chicken breast burrito bowls, ay, están bien ricos. These are my favorite eggs. Oh, it's freezing in here. Do we need anything else from the dairy section? We really don't consume that much dairy. If anything, I love me some cheese. I kind of want to get two things of egg, honey. So what I like to do is basically like hard boil a whole packet and eat them like that, like as a snack when I get hungry during the day. One thing that I've been struggling with is snacking. I want to be snacking all day, every day.
Yeah. Unos tomatitos para eso.
Yeah, some fresh. So fun fact, my honey hates. No, he doesn't hate anything. My honey really doesn't like any fresh fruits or veggies, huh?
No, not at all.
So for me, it's easy to munch on like 10 apples. That's why I mentioned the costal de naranjas. Like I'll eat a whole thing of it, which I still shouldn't do, but yeah. These new habits are kicking our ass.
Oh yeah.
Last stop of the day. Costco is done. We already have Eddie and we got a hot dog. My honey got a hot dog and I got a pizza. And I got a pizza for Eddie for lunch because we were hungry. Oh, honey. Oh,
Pero están buenos.
It was
They're
good. But now I feel so lit. A little doggy in a stroller. Ah! Oh, maybe it's a cat. We'll see. Hey, honey.
They keep raccoons.
What?
Yeah.
Ain't no way that's true right now.
Yeah. Baby
Okay.
raccoons.
I told my honey, I was like, can we please go to H-E-B tomorrow instead? And he said, no. We gotta do it right here, right now. And I'm like, yeah, because I'm gonna regret tomorrow morning.
You're not gonna have any cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna have any
What?
of your things.
What else?
That's it.
Coconut water.
Coconut water no estaba en la lista.
Yes, for my green juices, this is the only way I can drink them. I like the ones that have sugar.
Okay.
Listen, if this is gonna make my green juice taste enjoyable, which it does. Let's say you're not used to green juicing, always add some coconut water. There's some that is zero sugar, but it's only like what, 10 grams of sugar, girl. We'll be fine. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. Oh my god, the pumpkin spice section. Hoy me regañaron, dijeron que no grabara. I'm just kidding. Looks like we're all done finally grocery shopping. Let me show you everything that I got. Got everything for my green juices. I'll put up the grocery list for you if you want to make them with me as well. So all my veggies and some fruit. These are the best bowls ever. I make them almost every day. And then some cleaning supplies. I got that for me. Don't tell nobody. You know it's fall whenever they start pulling out these scented brooms. So I got 2 pumpkin spice and cinnamon. And my honey, what do you have there?
For mis ensaladas, for my salads, me and Coco are gonna love this.
Coco's our
guinea pig.
Yes, our guinea pig. Actually, it's technically Eddie's guinea pig. Day 1 of reclaiming myself is done. I just need to go home and basically get everything ready for tomorrow. So if you want to keep up with me in this series, make sure you stick around and subscribe, comment, engage, so that I can get excited whenever I open up my YouTube, especially now that I'm getting started again. Remember, don't be afraid to start over again, and don't wait for a Monday. Don't wait for a day, you know, the first day of the calendar. Today's a Thursday, a random ass Thursday that I decided that I truly just miss myself and I want to reclaim who I used to be. So if you want to join kind of like this wellness series, stick around, let me know your story. And if not, just be a chismosa and stick around to find out if I even lose my 10 pounds at all, girl, because we're going to be checking in every week. And hopefully, I don't know, like how many weeks do you think, honey, I'll be back to where I used to be?
I'll say 6.
I want to say 6 weeks
6
too.
weeks.
Around 6 weeks is a healthy.
If we put in the work.
Yes. Thanks so much for watching, and stay grounded, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.